Mama always said nothing good happens after midnight. Well, sorry, Mama. Ranch Hand's proven you wrong with the new Midnight Front Bumper. This innovative new bumper from Ranch Hand is stylish, functional, and strong. Let's face it, customizing your truck sets you apart from the rest, and the bumper is a key component. You want a bumper that not only looks great, but fits well. This new Midnight Bumper from Ranch Hand has the tightest, sleekest fit that you can find for your truck or SUV. This enhanced fit allows for more ground clearance, more tire clearance, and increased airflow. Not only stylish, but extremely functional and highly adaptable too. Ranch Hand designed this bumper to be their most customizable bumper ever. It's built to accommodate your OEM camera and sensors with pre-drilled holes. Plus, you can customize it with light bars, light pods, personalized inserts, or a winch with ease. You can be as wild as you want to be. Built from 7-gauge steel with 12-gauge inserts and tubing, this bumper is Ranch Hand's lightest bumper, but lives up to the reputation for durability and strength you've come to know. It's pre-treated with an A-coat and then coated with a thick matte black powder coat finish for ultimate durability. Installation is pretty straightforward, but this is a heavy front bumper, so you will need some help, and it does involve some automotive wiring. If you're interested in purchasing the Midnight Front Bumper from Ranch Hand or need help with installation, check out the store locator on the screen or in the description. And don't forget to subscribe for new videos every week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on In the Garage.